If you can't grip hair to stitch braid, try this needle and thread pattern. First of all, get your thread into your needle. It should be double thread. Then after we just grip the hair after applying your gel and start sewing just like you're sewing. You hold it together in the middle and just sew. Continue sewing. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel we do everything hair and makeup tutorial. Please smash the subscribe button to be a part of this community. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and comment. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. So the gripping pattern of this particular one is just like you're holding two close together. You understand the way you hold two close together, like in the middle, you join this material and this material, hold it at the middle. So that is the way you'll be holding this hair together. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.